Have you moved to a new house in Ontario? Then listen carefully, because if you do not update your address for multiple documents on time, you could face fines, insurance issues, or even miss important government mails. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video, and you guys are watching Dhillon Canada. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to update your address in Ontario, including your driver license, health card, vehicle permit, insurance, Canada Revenue Agency, that is CRA, Service Canada, and other important places. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's move to my laptop screen, where I can show you how to change addresses on your driver license, health card, Canada Revenue Agency, My Service Canada account. Open up your browser and type in Ontario driver license address change. Open this first link, change my address. Scroll down. Click on change your address online. Estimated time to complete 6 to 10 minutes. Scroll down. Click on start address change. Select the documents you need to update, Ontario health card and Ontario driver license. You can choose this one as well. Are you moving to an address in Ontario? Yes. Click continue. Enter your new residential address. When you type in your address over here, and once you click it, it will automatically fill that address for you. So I've already filled my street number, street name, street type, city, province, and postal code. Enter your new mailing address. So let's say if your mailing address is same as your home address, then click on this box. Mailing address is same as residential. Click on continue. Northern Ontario Residency Declaration. If you don't know what this is, click on this link here, and then you can see if your address is mentioned in this list over here. If not, then click on no, I am not resident of Northern Ontario as defined above. Click on continue. Scroll down. So now they're asking if your health card is photo health card or red and white health card. So choose photo health card, enter your health card number with the version code. For example, like this. 9 characters on the back of your card. Last postal code. Click on add health card details. Select which documents you have. Driver license, vehicle permit only, or Ontario photo card. Click on driver license. Scroll down. Enter your driver license number over here. Driver license issue date over here. Last postal code over here. Add driver license details. So now they're asking for contact details. For example, your name and everything. Then click on continue. So guys, this is the last step for your address change for your health card and your driver license. So now they're asking to review and submit. So now you can review all the information that you have entered over here. Verify your new residential address, your mailing address, your health card details, your driver license details, and your contact details, for example, your name, phone number, email address. And then check this box over here and then click on submit address change. So once you click on submit address change, you will get a confirmation receipt in the email, and this process is completely free. You will receive your driver license in your mailbox within 4 to 6 weeks, and you will not receive your health card because there is no address mentioned on your health card. The government will automatically update your address on the health card in their system. So that's how you change your address online for your health card and for your driver license. If you are learning something useful from this video, hit the like button. I also noticed many viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more people. Now let's get back to the video. Open up your browser and type in CRA. Open up this first link, Canada Revenue Agency. Sign into a CRA account. Scroll down, CRA user ID and password. So guys, let's say if you don't have an account, click on register for a CRA account. It is very easy to create an account. So come back here, CRA user ID and password. Enter your user ID and password. Click on next. Select the option you want to use. I want to use telephone. Click on next. Click on text me. Enter one-time passcode. Scroll down, click on next. So guys, you can see over here, I have two accounts, the personal account and the business account. So guys, you can change your addresses in both the accounts individually. So let's say I want to change on my personal account. Click on your personal account over here. And click on profile. As you guys can see here under contact information, my mailing and home address is over here. Just click on edit. And you guys can see over here mailing address and home address. So you can change your address by clicking on edit button over here. Click on start. Country Canada. Click on next. Enter your postal code over here. Click on next. Enter the street number over here. And then you can choose the effective date over here. Click on next. Is your home address the same as your mailing address? Yes, apply this address to my home address. Let's say if your mailing address is different, then enter no. And then you need to enter your new mailing address. Click on next. Review and submit. You need to review your mailing address. Click on this box over here and then click on submit. So guys, that's how you change your address on your CRA account. And you can do same on your business account if you have one. Open up your browser and type in My Service Canada account. Open this first link, the My Service Canada account MSCA. Scroll down. So I'll be using my GCKey username and password to sign in. And let's say if you guys don't have an account, just click on register for an account. It is very simple, straightforward and easy to create an account. Head back here, click on GCKey username and password. Enter your username and password. Click on sign in and click on continue. Enter your security code for the following coordinates. So these are my security codes that I have chosen for security purposes. Click on continue. So this is my dashboard. Click on account and click on profile. Scroll down. Click on personal information by benefit. Click over here. So you can change your address by clicking on this link over here. Click on address and telephone number. So guys, I don't have any EI applied with my Service Canada account, so that's why it's not giving me an option. Let's say you've applied for this and there will be option over here to change your address over here. So this is very pretty simple and straightforward to change your address. Update address on your vehicle permit, also called vehicle ownership. This must be done in person at one of the Service Ontario locations. If you own a car in Ontario, take the following documents to Service Ontario location: your driver license, your current vehicle permit, your address change confirmation receipt. The staff will update your permit and print a new one with your updated address. Also keep this document inside your vehicle. Update your car insurance. Contact your auto insurance provider immediately. Your insurance company must know your new address because your premium is calculated based on where you live. After updating your address, your insurance company will send updated documents including your insurance pink slip, which must be kept in your car all the times. If you don't update your address and an accident happens, your claim could become complicated. So this step is extremely important. Use mail forwarding services, highly recommended. One of the easiest way to avoid missing mail in using mail forwarding services through Canada Post. This service automatically sends mail from your old address to your new address. You can choose forwarding for 4 months or 12 months. This gives you enough time to update your address. You need to update address with IRCC. If you have an immigration application in process with IRCC, you must update your address. You can do this using IRCC online address change tool or IRCC web form. This ensures you receive important immigration updates and documents. Other important places where you should update your address, for example, your bank, your employer, family doctor, and dentist. This ensures you don't miss important bills or documents. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.